Hi, in today's video, I'd like to talk to you about how to make money using YouTube and PLR content. Hi, this is George. Welcome to Digital High Road. This channel is about me helping you. I want to be honest with you in how you approach and build your business. I have another video for you. Please take the time to take the step forward. If you've got anything of value, learn anything that helped you from the video, please like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also reach over and hit that bell icon so to be notified of any future videos I might publish. So what we're going to do is we're going to start. I looked in Google and put in CAT's PLR content. I came up with 3 sites. This is one of the first sites I found, and I looked in for CAT PLR content. I'll put the links to these 3 sites in the description below. But the first site is Exclusive Niches. The second site is High Quality PLR. This has many different types of subjects, but I found that they had CAT PLR contents, articles, and the other one is the plrstore.com, and I found they had CAT articles as well. And the thing was, I had to decide what kind of thing I was going to do, what kind of articles lend themselves to finding products to sell. Now, cat behavior wasn't exactly something that could be brought in, except for like how to stop cat scratching or ruin your furniture, maybe cat scratching posts, cat tree scratching areas, things like that. So what I did was what I concentrated on was I ended up coming back to the first site, and I found a package for $4.95 where it deals with cat litter PLR articles. And what I did was I found there's a few articles in here, and I found that the cat litter boxes would be an area that I could find and do some videos on. And cats are a well-watched area in YouTube. Let's put it that way. A lot of people love cats. A lot of people love dogs. Pets are very important to people. So what I did was I went to Amazon and I looked up for some cat litter products. So, but what I did first after finding the PLR was actually I went to a site I have that I have access to called Longtail Pro. You can go to any keyword research tool, and I put in a search for self-cleaning cat litter box. And what I ended up getting was some keywords, as we can see down through here. And I'm looking for keywords that I can use to write articles, to expand the articles, because we went back here. The articles, these are very short. They're good starters, good things to give you ideas, but you're not going to want to have an article that's only 317 words or 309 words, etc., etc., etc. So I was searching for keywords because I need keywords to rank and keywords for tags in YouTube. So I put in this self-cleaning cat litter box because that's something I found here that was high selling, very high selling area on Amazon. Like 3,035 ratings is very high. If you look at it on the guideline, Amazon goes by 1 out of 10 people actually will rate the product they buy. This is a lot of product. This product is selling really well. So what I did was I looked and I said, okay, well that's the price point, $139. So at this point, I think today pets are like 5%. Amazon's paying 4 or 5%. on that. Just use that as a rough idea. And so then I did some keyword research, made a list of keywords that I had, so I had that ready. And then what I wanted to do was I had to put in to see if, so I took one of the keywords that Montel Pro was showing me, self-cleaning litter box. That matches up the product we just looked at on Amazon. And here's some self-suggestions that Amazon gave us. As you can see, if you analyze down through here, there's several big stores, several big things like Amazon, Walmart, PetSmart, Petco that are ranking for the keyword self-cleaning litter box, self-cleaning kitty litter box with the name after it. So that means your competition may be a little bit steep for some of these for ranking keywords, so you're going to want to dig deeper in keywords. I put in self-cleaning cat litter box. Another word was self-cleaning litter box. Just to see, and you see basically the same big names are coming up again, or review. So what that told me was that I was going to have to go back to checking for more keywords and digging down. And what I could do here is I could take some of these keywords. By looking in Longtail Pro, came back here, and what I did was I already put this keyword in. It's got 320 for volume average monthly. It's got 40 for keyword for the score in Longtail Pro, how they do the keyword rankings. So I'm going to have to dig down. So look at some of these keywords, and you're going to want to dig down further to get more keywords, more keyword ideas for writing and for using in your videos, for making, giving you video ideas for making a video concerning these areas, things that people are looking for, maybe looking for problem solving, etc. So for ideas, I put into Google self-cleaning litter box reviews. And that was from the Longtail Pro again, self-cleaning cat litter reviews. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to dig down on this one, but I'm going to come back here. And I'm going to show you what, this is what Google's presenting to you, the user. They're presenting some ads, some more ads, top 5 self-cleaning boxes, some rankings. This is from a particular site that ranks really well for this. What people are asking about. Are self-cleaning litter boxes worth it? What's the best self-cleaning litter box? How do you clean a self-cleaning litter box? So, and there's what they're giving you like a video ranking from a site for that one. So, and that's a good thing, because if you want to make money online on YouTube, that you want to be ranking for a video in those areas. Now, I can also go in here and I'll go to videos, and we'll see what they're going to give you for videos here now. Now, Wirecutter is a very, very large, successful site. It's actually owned by the New York Times. Very big company, very big site, a lot of high competition. They review a lot of products, so that would be tough to rank against that. But if you look down, and I would go to YouTube and look at study tags on these successful ranked videos. You can also go to YouTube and put in the term that we're looking at, self-cleaning litter box reviews, and see what that will give you for what they have produced for videos right now. So what I did is I came to YouTube and I put in our 5-word keyword, self-cleaning litter box reviews, and then we'll do a search on that. We'll see what they come up with. But what they're going to do is will give you ideas what people are making videos about. Again, being a cat niche, 124,000 views, 27,000 views, 58,000 reviews. People are looking for answers to questions they have about these cat litter boxes. Even the lower ranked one, 7,000 reviews. 7,000 views, 2,500 views. Okay, so you can make videos about these. Go in and study what the questions are, what these videos, if they're solving any problems or showing people about things, educating them about, find out how that matches up. So what you have so far is you have a niche, and then you've broken it down into, you decided by PLR content. It has kitty litter, about kitty litter and ideas. It's going to give you ideas about making videos. You went to Amazon, you found some kitty litter box products. I have another one here. You put in a search for the top best sellers in self-cleaning cat litter boxes. And Amazon will give you the top sellers. They'll list them out, 1 through 20. But you can see these all have high reviews. This is the one we're looking at, 617. And this one, whatever the products are, these are all products you can make videos about and have them go back to, because what I'm going to have you do is once you've made a video and set up a YouTube channel, you're going to want to go and have a link in the YouTube description where you're going to be putting in. Let's go to this one here. What you're going to do is you're going to, down in the description here, you're going to put in a link. Now these people didn't do it. So believe it or not, it took me the third video on the videos listed. But I found one. Here's the description for this video. And first they're talking about people are plagiarizing, but down here are questions. And here, this is where she's linking out to the Amazon page and the products here. But what I would suggest doing is we put a link in here to have you go to a domain where you have a sales page set up. And I'll show you that in a second. So I just went to my channel, Digital High Road, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. I refer to go into my site. So we're going to go to my site right now. So this is digitalhighroad.com, and that link takes you to this page where I talk about the system that I use to build my business with. So this is the kind of page you would want to set up, and you could set up a sales page basically for the Amazon products that you want to sell. Okay, let's say it's this one here. You want to have a link for that, and you set up a sales page only for this product here. And you're just promoting this product. Write a little bit about it on your page, and put a link to have them go to Amazon to purchase this. That's the way that I would suggest you go to make the money by making a YouTube video. To summarize then, what you're doing is you're going to pick a niche, narrow your niche down to a certain particular area. I decided pets, so I'm picking cats. So the cat niche. Remember, I went back to the PLR content. I found cat PLR content on 3 different sites. Next step was to then do some keyword research, find out which keywords I wanted to rank for, find out tags I'll be using for videos as well. The next thing I want to do is Then I find affiliate products that can be sold on a domain, because you're going to be buying a domain. That would be once you've done your research for products, you have products, you can get affiliate links to put in a sales page for the products, then move on. And what you're going to do is go to Namecheap or a site like that to do some search for a domain you want to purchase. And you can check, I have another video that I made that explains on how to pick a good domain that you can use. Take it from there. Then you want to buy a domain to set up a couple of sales pages for products on that domain. Once you've done that, then once you have completed this, then you are ready to create your value video for your YouTube channel. So you've set up a YouTube channel and you're going to create a video that has value, which you will use the keywords in research from the keywords you picked to create the video. Once you've done that, then you put links in your description, as I showed you, where people can link back to your website sales page. And I showed you about the sales page. And then from there, they can buy from your website affiliate links, the products that you promoted that have to do with or are part of the video that you created that they've just watched. So as you can see, it's possible to take buying PLR content and turning it into value videos on your YouTube channel to make sales of affiliate marketing sales on using a domain. And if you got any value from this video today, if you learned anything, please comment below the video. If you have any questions, please write me at the email provided in the description or ask the questions in the comments. I'll be happy to respond myself personally. But if you like the video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also reach over there and touch that bell icon while you're at it so that you will get notified every time we publish a new video with new content for you. And thank you for watching.